Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's interesting to see that despite Microsoft saying that it is pretty much widely available, the new Start menu seems to be missing from a lot of people. Thanks for all of those that answered my question in the video where I was asking about the availability of this new Start menu, if you had it and where you were. And it really seems that wherever you are, even in the United States, a lot of you still don't have the new Start menu. And many of you complained on that, saying, well, I don't understand why it's such a slow release. And indeed, this new Start menu has been released, started to appear many weeks ago. And this is still not there for a lot of people. This is where I'm always a little surprised. I could understand that maybe sometimes you push a new feature slowly. You don't want to, you want to see what's going to happen. But I have a hard time when it comes to having a feature like this take so long. I mean, now they must have all the telemetry and the information required to know that, well, it's okay, it works, and here you go. But even I on my PC here, I've been using it now for a couple of weeks, but yeah, definitely something is really not going well in pushing new features from Microsoft. And it's particularly sad if that new feature is something you want. Some people want this new Start menu, and it's not just the Start menu, it's so many other things that are still missing and still not pushed to Windows users. And like I said, some of them interesting for users. And it makes it harder for people like me that make videos, because it's like you could make a video of a feature, but then realize that a lot of people still don't have it. So I don't know. It's a weird way of pushing things. Usually you just push it and you just have it for everyone, and that's for a long time what it was. We would all get pretty much the same thing, but now it is not the case, and so a lot of people are stuck with old features. Still nothing about the new features. Some people have them almost immediately. Pretty crazy. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.